10 euros of ibuprofen. Amazing.
Un'esperienza da fare.
Stay with us, you need your energy. Good morning, 6:30, early wake up on my day 3 of the Camino de Santiago. So we just woke up, we didn't really sleep. It's such a struggle to sleep. So guys, be ready if you want to do this. You either need earplugs, but anyway, beds are not great. You sleep with like 10 other people in the same room. It's really tough. If you have a light sleep, especially as I do, it's a nightmare. We're gonna go for a coffee now because the bar opens at 7. Then we come back, pick up the bags and start the walk around 8. It's raining, so what else can you ask? Guys, today is poncho day. Batman. Here we started, the group is getting bigger. We got Peter on board.
Hey!
And we got
man.
Lucia. And Claudio right there. So how many kilometers today, guys?
We tried 32 kilometers.
It stopped raining, so that's a good thing.
You can tell them about Oreo.
Oreo is the cookie.
Oreo!
Yes!
For storage of food, wine, cheese, important stuff. And it's on stilts to keep the animals away.
Stay with us, we need your energy. Boys and girls, here we are. Trying to find the guys. They rushed.
Yeah, we were drone timing.
Yeah, we were drone time. We're on this lovely bridge built in 17th century. Come on, Peter, let's do it.
Let's roll.
So we saw the guys. Let's catch them up. Oh gosh, my leg is still okay for now. We got back on track. Hola! We're going through Salas right now, which is this little town, and we walked for maybe 2 hours and a half. It looks nice, kind of middle ages again. I think we go for food. Yes, I need to rest my legs. So the front of the shin is still inflamed, but it's feeling okay, and the sticks really help, so I definitely recommend them again. But it's weird because when you ache somewhere, the body tries to adjust in different places, so you start aching, you know, on another part of the body. But it's okay so far. I'm going for an ice cream. Do you want an ice cream? Helado.
No, gracias.
So Italian sometimes. Mamma mia. It's poncho time. Hola. Everyone just says hi. They're probably so used to idiots like me. I'm joking, not idiots, but you know what I'm saying? Look at me, come on.
Just can't ignite. It's always raining.
De Asturias.
Sí. Que es en el norte de España, que el capital es Oviedo. ¿Y qué más? Es en las montañas. Hay muchas montañas.
Viva la sidra.
It's just amazing how you meet different people from all over the place with different paths, different problems, and they just go to Santiago. And everyone has got his own pace as well, so someone is faster, and then you meet at the next hut. Muchos amigos. Com'è Claudio? Com'è?
Oh, bellissimo.
Sì?
Un'esperienza da fare.
Claudio said it's an experience to be done, but again, be ready because it's not that easy as you think. But definitely a good good pilgrimage. We just lost Peter. He went down to see a waterfall. I can't be arsed, so we carry on. That's what I was saying about everyone has got his own pace and things you want to do. So, you know, you're actually traveling solo, you meet a lot of friends, but still it's your own personal trip, let's put it that way. Guys, we met Matteo again. Here we are. This is a proper on the road trip. So we are at La Bodenaya. This marks like halfway of today's route. So we've done 18 kilometers. We got, yeah, another 18 I guess, or 15 maybe. We're gonna have our stamp and proceed. This is our credencial del peregrino, which is our passport. So every time you stop, you get a stamp just to mark your way towards Santiago. Well, fall was fine, but check this out.
This is a soup with potatoes and fish.
Looks good, huh?
What are you eating, Peter?
Arroz con leche.
Yes.
Literally rice with milk. But it's really good. It really is good. You guys got caramelized sugar with it, so
Very lucky.
damn.
Because
Damn.
Right, here we are after the meal. Okay, how many kilometers left, guys?
11 flat. So it's like flat. Yeah, flat.
Going down. Guys, I don't know where we are. I don't know what day it is. I don't even know if I've got legs attached to my body anymore. I checked my shin before, it was so swollen up, like, and I'm kind of limping on one side. We should be almost there, maybe 1 hour left for the day. I'm really struggling to find some motivation to end this at the moment, but then I started to think I'm actually going to see like where the remains of one of the apostles are. Like, if you think about it, it's 2,000 years of history right there, and that should give you enough motivation to reach Santiago and end the day. It's insane, think about it. Seeing the happiness of the guys, I think we're almost there.
Italiani. Cantao.
Ciao. Buen camino. 1 kilometer away. Happiness?
Yeah, very happy.
God, I was praying all day. Literally, I was. We made it. Like Tineo. No, I just want to go to the albergue. This arrow is becoming the arrow of my grave. Oh, let's go down. I'm dying. It's the best feeling ever. Com'è, Matteo? Sei contento?
Sono molto contento. Quando devo togliere le mie scarpe anch'io.
Can't wait to take the shoes off. They're boiling. After 10 hours, literally, we started 8, it's 6 now. We made it. Peter just went to a pharmacy to see if they have something for my shin. Let me show you. 10 euros of ibuprofen. Amazing. It's a new ad for Findus. Okay, shower done. We're going for some food. So we left one behind, Lucia, because she's got some issues at the knee, so she needs to stop for 2 days. Yeah, injuries happen.
Joder, es que si miro para ahí, no miro para aquí.
Oh, he's enjoying it.
Fresh. Fantastic. Fantastic. Italian do it better.
Ooh. The guys are gonna drink here, I'm gonna eat inside because I'm starving.
Si chiama plato completo.
We go. In the next episode. Alright guys, I had to stop because it really aches now. This gate is open, let's see upstairs. Follow the adventures of my Camino de Santiago on YouTube and Mamo Air. Subscribe now for the video